So today we'll go through how to go through the trains or subways in Korea. So public transport in Korea isn't as easy as Japan because you can't use Google Maps. So instead we're gonna have to download Naver. We're starting off at Itaewon and we're taking the Hangangjin station bound train. Make sure that the arrow is pointed that way. We'll transfer to line 3 at Yaksu and get on a Ogium or Suseok bound train. We need to go the direction of Gumho, so make sure to follow the arrow. And then we'll look for exit 6. For this next example, we'll go from Seoul Station to Itaewon, and you can always check how much the fare will be or compare options by looking at the top. We'll follow the signs for Sadang or Oido and look for line 4. We'll be transferring to line 6 at Samgakshi Station, which is 2 stops away. If you look towards the bottom, you'll see that the last station listed is Oido. Get off at Samgakshi and make sure that we get on a line 6 Sine bound or Banghwasan bound train. You can see that the next station is Noksapyeong, and then after that will be where we want to go to at Itaewon. And again, if you check at the very end, you'll see that the last station listed is Sine. Noksapyeong is not grayed out, so we know we're going the right direction. And then now that we've reached Itaewon, we want to take exit 3 in order to get to the hostel. So sometimes you'll have to use Google Translate in order to get the Korean spelling of whatever you're looking for.